What is accounting equation? It is the basic of doing the journal entry or whatever the ledger we prepare. Before that, asset, how the asset applies as an application. Whenever you get a money, you buy an asset. So asset is an application. Whereas capital and liability is a source for your application. So capital means your own fund, and whereas liability is the external fund. So with that help you create an asset. Now asset means what? There is lot of asset. We can say cash is an asset, or whatever the money is in the bank is an asset. Along with that we can say that tangible asset means your machine, your building, your furniture, all these are tangible asset. Along with that, if you are doing a business, so obviously you have some stock in your warehouse, so stock is also an asset. And when you sell a stock, to whom? You sell a stock to the customer. In that way we call them as an debtors. And along with that, whatever the money you are getting, you are either keeping into the bank, or you are investing in your building or machinery, or you are investing in your stock or debtors. That we do in day-to-day activities. And when we buy any raw material, we buy on a credit sometimes, so it is a supplier we are talking, or a creditor we are talking. So here the creditor and the supplier becomes a liability, and with that help of that stock we are selling to the debtors. So in this way it is a dual aspect. Both the asset, obviously if you are applying in asset, so obviously if you are applying 100 crores in an asset, so your source will be, there will be 100 crores. It may vary that your own fund is 60 crores, whereas you have borrowed from somebody else is 40 crores. With that help your asset will be 100 crores. It cannot be more than 100 crores, or it cannot be less than 100 crores in case of an asset. So in this way we are balancing both the side of asset is equal to capital plus liability. I hope you can understand this accounting equation.